Hi, this is Ann Arriaga from the library team, and I'm going to show you how to navigate the WASC wiki. So from the Moreau Catholic High School homepage, you would click on Academics and then scroll down to Library and click on Library. Once on the library page, you will scroll down to Web Links, and you would then choose the last link, WASC Self-Study, and you'll click on that. This now brings you to the WASC landing page. You can see that it's organized in 9 different categories. Each of these boxes links to a different wiki. A wiki is a collaborative website that anyone with direct access can edit. Each category, A, B, C, and D, has focus groups affiliated with that letter. So if I click on B, for example, I can see that focus group number 4 is concerned with the questions that are under B1 and B2, while focus group number 5 needs to concern themselves with the questions under B3. The questions are located at the top of every page. You have likely been assigned to category A, B, C, or D. Let's assume you have been assigned to A. You will click on A. And you will be taken to the A wiki. You would then navigate to the focus group that you are affiliated with. You can do that in one of 2 ways. You can do it over here by clicking on any one of these links, or over on the left-hand side navigation. So if I'm part of A3, I would click on A3. And I'm now on my focus groups page. I cannot edit right now because I'm seeing this protected sign over on the right-hand side. So I need to sign in. To sign in, I will click up in the right-hand corner. If you have not yet created an account in Wikispaces, before you sign in, you would need to click Join. You would be prompted to enter a username, a password, and an email address. We have already made the wiki for you, so the default is correct. No should be checked, and then you would click Join. Once you have joined, you can go back to the wiki page that you are affiliated with, and you would then click Join this wiki. You would then be prompted to request membership, and you would click on that button. That will let the library team know that you would like to join this wiki, and we will approve you. Once we've approved you, now you can sign in directly to this wiki. So I'm going to go and sign in. You can see that I am now signed in because I can see my username up at the top of the screen. I also have the editing function. If I click on the Edit tab over on the right-hand side, I want to make sure that I'm in the right page page that I want to edit, and this is my focus group, so I'm going to click on Edit. And I now see a toolbar. This gives me the ability to edit this page. If I wanted to add evidence, I can put my cursor where I'd like to add evidence. I can type. If I wanted to link a website, for example, I would just highlight the text I wanted to link. I would then go up to the toolbar and click Link. And I would choose External Link, and I'd put in the web address. I happen to know this web address, but you would probably want to copy it directly from the web address bar and then paste it in here. And then I can add that link. This now is linked. So if someone were to click on that when visiting this site, they would be taken outside of the wiki to the Moreau Catholic website. I have many of the features you can find in a Word document. For example, I can change the text to bold, italics, or I can underline it. I can change the color up here in the toolbar. I can change the font. Now I'm going to save this for a minute to show you the table of contents. The table of contents is automatically organized for you by the wiki. The wiki identifies how the table of contents is organized by the size of the font. For example, you'll notice that A3 in the table of contents is indented under the Category A Organization for Student Learning header. The reason for that is because when this text was entered in the wiki, A3 was a smaller font size than the Category A Organization for Student Learning header. Let's go back in and edit. If you wanted to add an image, you would put the cursor where you'd want to add that image, and you'd click on File. I can upload images or files, that is Word documents or any sort of document file, by uploading them directly from my computer. I then see the documents I have in my computer, and I can choose a particular one. And I'm just giving an example here. I've selected a particular document. I can now click on it once it has been uploaded to this location, and it has now been added to the wiki. And if I save, I can now see that Word document, and anyone who clicks on it will open up that particular Word document. Let's go back into the Edit feature. If I have a video that I want to upload to the wiki, I would click on the Widget button in the toolbar. I would scroll all the way down to Other, and I would embed the video's HTML code here. And videos that have been uploaded to a site like YouTube have an embed code. I will show you an example of this. Let's say we want to add the Moreau Catholic High School Class of 2010 Freshman Spirit Week video. I would click on the video and I would see the embed button right here. And I'm just going to pause this. If I click on the embed code or the embed button, I will then see the HTML code below. I would copy it, and then I would go back to my wiki and I'd add it right here. And I would click Save. I would then see a blue square. I then click Save, and once I click Save, that blue square will then turn into the actual video. And so you can see that you could watch this video directly from the wiki. Your group will need to decide the best way in which it will take group notes. You can take notes directly on the wiki page by clicking on Edit and then scrolling down and adding notes. You can see that I've organized my notes as the recorder for this day by identifying the date and my name and then adding notes below. The discussion tab is a nice feature to add comments when you're not in your group. Perhaps there are prompts to add to the discussion when you meet again, or perhaps you're adding to the discussion that's taking place outside of the group meeting. When you add a note, a comment on the discussion page, and I'm just doing a test post, you would see it located here, and you would also see it located on the bottom of the home page. And if I were to click on it, it would take me to the discussion page with the actual note. Members can respond to any posts that have been made, or they can create new initial posts. You can always sign out by clicking up at the top, and this will sign you out of the wiki. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to stop by the library or call the library at area code 510-881-4349 with any questions. Thank you.